We'll guide you through how to make clickable link in Wondershare PDFelement. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the Wondershare PDFelement application to open it, and wait for the program to load completely. Once the application is ready, go to the left side panel and click the Open PDF button. Browse to the location of the PDF file where you want to add a clickable link, select the file, and then click Open to access it. After the document appears on the screen, move to the top menu and click Add Text. Create a text label that will serve as the clickable link. For example, type "Visit our YouTube channel" as the text that users will click. Once the text has been added, go to the left side panel and click the Edit menu. After entering Edit mode, locate the Add Link option on the top toolbar and select it. Next, click and drag over the text you created to define the clickable area. This creates an interactive region that can be linked to a web page. After selecting the area, adjust the line thickness as needed and set the line color to red so the link area is easier to identify. Then, find the Open a Web Page option and select it from the available link actions. In the URL field, paste the web address that you copied earlier. This can be any valid website link that you want users to open when they click the text. Once the URL has been entered correctly, click the Apply button to create the clickable link. After applying the settings, go to the upper right corner of the document and click the Share PDF icon. Then click Save to store the changes in the PDF file. When the Save Successfully notification appears on the screen, close the pop-up window to continue with the verification process afterward. Hover over the link text to confirm that the destination URL appears, indicating that the clickable link was created successfully.